Hello my dear students, welcome back again. Today we will start chapter 10. Name of the chapter is Microsoft Excel 2007. Now what is Microsoft Excel? See, the page which I am showing you, this is the page of Microsoft Excel. Okay, this Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet software. So which type of software it is? It is a spreadsheet software widely used to perform mathematical calculations. So in this spreadsheet we are performing mathematical calculations. The data is spread in a tabular form consisting of rows and columns. As you can see, this is called rows and this is called columns. This is called columns and this is called rows. As you read in table, rows and column, likewise in MS Excel sheet, this is columns and this is rows. Okay, it provides built-in features and tools such as formulas. Okay, in this video we will discuss how to work on MS Excel spreadsheet. Excel has a very powerful and convenient feature called functions. A function is a predefined formula and is used and its used a formula would be too complicated, okay, or just too long. You can access them from formulas tab. You can see formula tab is here. The calculations, the formulas are too long, that's why we are using formula tab for calculating. Now in MS Excel, MS Excel is used for so many things. For example, MS Excel is used for arranging data in an organized way. It is also used for type less and get more, for performing calculations, auto recalculation, auto format table, compare data through chart, sort data for better analysis, and comparing two workbooks side by side. Okay, first of all, starting MS Excel. All of you know how to start MS Excel. This MS Excel software is present inside the Microsoft Office. All of you know all programs, then Microsoft Office, and then you can see Microsoft Excel. Okay, from here you can open it. This is Microsoft Excel sheet. You can see these are called tabs. At the top you can see these are called tabs. Now this one where the A5 is written, it means first of all wherever I am clicking, you are seeing the cell is highlighting. This is called a cell. Okay, this one is called a cell and this is also called a cell pointer where we are pointing something. Okay, so the cell pointer and the reference where you are seeing, this is the name box, and inside this you can see it is showing the name of that particular cell. So this is also called cell reference. So for example, I am just choosing this cell and the name of the cell is C4. C4 means this is the C column and the fourth row. Okay, that's why the name of the cell is C4. Got it? Now in MS Excel there are so many first of all, in MS Excel you can see at the top the alphabets are written here, means the columns are indicated with alphabets. Okay, the columns are indicated with alphabets and the rows are indicated with numbers. You can see the rows are indicated with numbers. So in one MS Excel sheet, in one MS Excel there are 3 sheets. You can see 1, 2, 3. 3 sheets are there. You can add more sheets from here. Just click and you can add. If you want to delete, then here is option of delete, and from here you can delete sheets. Okay, any sheet you can delete from here. In MS Excel there are so many columns, number of columns and number of rows. So in Excel there are 16,384 columns. Yes, from A to XFD means till Z you can see from here, and then just go on clicking this one and then you can see the number of columns. Okay, you can see number of columns, so many columns. I'm not clicking now. And rows also, here also you can see so many number of rows. Okay, till means how many rows are there? There are ranging from 1 to 10,48,576 rows. Yes, so many rows and so many columns are there. Okay, now little bit thing I am going to tell you how to work on it. First of all, if these cells are very small, if you want to increase its size, you want to increase the size of this cell, then means you can increase the size of this column, you can increase the size of this row by keep your mouse arrow here, and then you can see the black plus sign is appearing here. By the help of this, just click and drag up to where you want. The column of A column is increased, means you want to write more, you want to type more, then you can increase this one. From here you want to increase this one row, then here also keep your mouse arrow here and you can see the black arrow is appearing, and from here you just click and drag. Like this you can increase any cell size. Next thing is, if I want to write the heading, and for writing the heading what I want to merge the cells. Like, okay, for merging the cells, just select the cell, select all these cells up to where you want, and then in home tab there is option of merge and center. Just click on it, you can see the cells are merged, and here you can write anything. For example, I am writing report. Okay, so you can merge the cell like this. You can put the border also. Okay, after completing, if you want to highlight it, then you can highlight by giving the border. See, the border is here. First of all, just select it, then go on border and just all borders. See, now I am clicking here and you are seeing this table up to where you have written the table or the content. It will be highlighted by putting the borders. Okay, so like this you can highlight it. The next and important thing is how to do calculations in it. Right, how to do calculations. Now in second sheet I have written some data. See, report card, I have written this data, report card. I have merged the cells. Now written name, English subject, Hindi subject, math subject, science subject, name Raj, Aditi, Shivam, Somya, and the marks of each student. Now I want to calculate it, I want to sum it, means I want to do the total of these marks. So how to do total, how to sum it, how to add it? In Excel you have to no need to do calculations by your own, or we will not write 56 plus 67 plus 79 plus 76. No, the computer, means in Excel the computer does not understand this. The computer only understand the cell name, okay, the cell reference. So in Excel, for doing calculations, the spreadsheet has powerful built-in tools such as functions and formulas to perform calculations on the data. So a formula calculates values displayed in the cell to return Yes, displayed in the cell to return a result. A formula consists of a combination of a cell reference. Now, always a formula begins with an equal to sign. Which sign? Equal to sign. Always start the formula with equal to sign. Now here I want to calculate 58, 67, 79 and 76. So no need to write the numbers here. You have to write the formula. So I am writing the formula first. Listen how to type the formula. Write equal to sign, then write sum. As I am writing the sum, this appears. Just click it and the bracket opens. Now first I have to write here the first cell number, means this one 68. So I am just clicking here and the cell number appears here. Then you have to press colon sign. Colon sign, this is called double dot, is called colon sign, and then the signs number, that is 76. Automatically these two numbers will be added inside it. Means the meaning of this is till C7 till this one F7 I want to calculate in this cell. So from here to here, okay, from here to here I want to calculate. Then just C7 to F7, close the bracket and enter. See, done. Again I'm just writing equal to sign and then I'm writing sum, then choosing opening the bracket and then writing the first cell number till last cell number. Like this also you can write, you can do, close the bracket, enter. Okay, again equal to. Another method is write equal to, then write this cell number, then write plus, second cell number, again plus, next cell number, again plus, and this cell number, and then enter. Okay, again here I'm writing equal to sum, opening bracket, this, putting colon, and all just moving my mouse, selecting from this cell to this cell, and done. So like this you can do the calculations. Okay, another method I'm telling you is, for example, I'm changing the data, marks of Hindi, and just click here and you can see the changes inside it. Okay, another one is I'm just deleting this data and I want to calculate inside it. Then no need to do anything, no need to write equal to sign, no need to write sum, nothing. Just click on the cell where you want to calculate and then go on home tab and see in editing group there is option of auto sum. Okay, just click on auto sum and press enter. That's it. Very easy now. That's why it is called type less and get more. Okay, no need to do anything, just click on auto sum and it will be calculated inside the cell. Again I am doing the changes inside it and just clicking here and you see the changes. Now I am deleting this total and I just click on auto sum, enter, done. Okay, like this you can do practice nicely, all of you. And for saving, all of you know how to save. Just go on office button, click on save as, write the file name and save. Okay, so do practice in your computer and in your mobile phone also. Very important to do practice, otherwise you will not understand anything. And okay, thank you everyone, thank you.